guys have seen lots of people here, right? I mean, just take a look at this. Take a look at this. We are all here to count down to the new year, and we are so excited. And I'm gonna count down with you guys today. What's up? Let's find out what everyone is waiting for. I love Shanghai. Happy New Year 2025. What's that? So guys, that was actually our New Year's Eve night. There was completely no fireworks whatsoever. We were all baffled. Of course, we didn't expect it. So everybody just put back their phones in their bags and walked back home peacefully for the new year. There was absolutely no fireworks, actually, in most of the cities in China. I was in Shanghai, but I found out that even in other cities, there was actually no fireworks. I think it wasn't allowed, or it was a law that was passed by the government. Something was not really clear, but yes, there was no fireworks whatsoever, and we just had to go back home. But even as at that, it was a beautiful night. People came out in numbers just to, say Happy New Year and call it a night. Happy New Year, everybody, and thank you so much for watching my videos always. And all my returning subscribers, I really do appreciate you. And if you're new to this family, kindly don't forget to subscribe, and see you in our next video. Happy New Year!